Story Kiko.
Hey guys, today we'll be drawing a cat, a tabby cat. Are you ready? Let's begin. Draw an A, a capital A or upside down B, an N, another A without the dash across. Draw a U for the cat's face, and a tiny O for the nose. Let's draw a W for the cat's mouth. Let's do a 6 for the body. Big 6. And let's do an O for a little leg right under the cat's face. Let's join the both sides together with a big W. And let's add a tail. Do a C, a big one. And just right beside it do another C. And let's close it up with a little curve at the end. Almost there. Add a U and another U. And the cat's sleeping. That's it, we're done. Great job, guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.